In this video, you'll learn how to connect a Namecheap domain to your GoDaddy hosting using cPanel. We'll go through the process slowly and clearly so that by the end, your domain from Namecheap will be properly added to your GoDaddy hosting account and ready to use for your website. Before we start, make sure you already have two things in place. First, you should have an active domain registered at Namecheap, and second, you need a GoDaddy hosting plan that uses cPanel. You'll also want to be logged in to your GoDaddy account in a web browser so you can follow along in real time. Let's begin in your GoDaddy account. From your main GoDaddy dashboard, locate your hosting product. This is usually listed under something like web hosting or my products. Open the hosting account that you want to connect the Namecheap domain to, and then look for the option to launch or access cPanel. This might appear as a cPanel admin button or something similar. Click that to open your cPanel dashboard. Once you're inside cPanel, we're going to look for the section that manages domains. Depending on your cPanel version, this might appear slightly differently. In many setups, you'll see a section simply called Domains, and in some older layouts, you'll see an option called Add-on Domains. Both lead you to the same overall goal, attaching an additional domain to your hosting account. If you're using a newer version of cPanel, click on Domains. This will open a page listing any domains already connected to this hosting account. Look for a button or link that says Create a New Domain or Add Domain. In older cPanel versions, click on Add-on Domains, and you should be taken directly to a form where you can enter the new domain. Now, in the field provided, type in the exact domain name that you purchased from Namecheap. Make sure you enter it without any extra spaces and that it matches exactly, including the correct extension like .com, .net, or whatever your domain ends with. The system will usually autofill related fields such as the subdomain and the document root, which is the folder where your website files will live for this domain. Take a quick look at the document root that cPanel suggests. Unless you have a specific reason to change it, it's usually fine to leave it as the default. This keeps your site files organized and easy to find later. If you ever plan to host multiple websites on the same hosting account, each domain will get its own folder here, which makes management simpler. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and click the button to add or create the domain. cPanel will process your request, which might take a few moments. When it's done, you should see your Namecheap domain appear in the list of domains or add-on domains, confirming that it's now connected to your GoDaddy hosting environment. At this stage, your hosting account is ready to serve a website for that domain. The next thing you'll typically do outside of cPanel is make sure the domain's name servers at Namecheap point to your GoDaddy hosting. That part is handled in your Namecheap account, but from the GoDaddy side, your job for now is complete. Today, I've shown you how to add your Namecheap domain to your GoDaddy hosting through cPanel by navigating to the domains area, choosing the correct option, entering your domain, and confirming the setup. Once your DNS is pointing correctly, you'll be able to upload your site files or install a content management system and start using your new domain with your GoDaddy hosting.